Let me give you a little bit of clarity on what we do, what we can do for you as a business owner, entrepreneur, and professional. We do connect you to the world. Well, last 35 years, we have been developing our connections, contacts globally, especially in Asia, Africa, Europe, Middle East, and South America, North America. You can say all the continents we cover, and we connect with very, very fine people, nice people all around the world. And their business organization, business corporation, individuals, investment bankers, funders, and entrepreneurs all over the world. Well, with our connections, we have established our absolute due diligence oriented people in 156 countries at the moment, I can say proudly. And through them, we can get you to any corner of the world. Like you want something in the Middle East, we can definitely connect you. You want to export your products to Africa? Yes, of course, we can help you. You want to explore oil and gas, mining, resources, gold, diamond, and whatever you want. Or you want to do agriculture in Africa? We can take you there. We can handheld you and get you the proper place, and get you the required logistics support, required permits, required land, required facilities, whatever you want. This is how we help people. And at the same time, also, we are working closely with a few investment banker here and there, including US and Australia, Luxembourg, London. And through them, we can arrange your financing as well. So it's a win-win situation. We can create a massive market for your product. We can get you the absolute connections, and we can get you the required results that you need to promote your products globally, to promote your business globally, or to get some access into a market where you need accessibility and where you need financing for your project, for your expansion of the business or your current business, or for a new project. Well, for the new generation, we are having another window to help the new generation to come up into the business. Either it is family business or a student coming as an entrepreneur. Yes, you need some education, and we do that. We do help you. We do handheld you and take you towards that journey. So this is what we do, simply. And we solve your critical problems that you are having difficulties to solve. And this is our business, to solve your problems, to take you somewhere and then get you the required level of revenue, sales, and profitability. This is what you need. This is what you need to keep your business growing. Scalability. That is very, very important to keep your business afloat these days. And this is what we do. I hope I could give you the clarity. If you are having some difficulties and problems in your business that you need to consult with a consultant, let us know. We will be there to help you out.